This tutorial review will show you how to share photos, videos from iPhone to Android. So I will show you a very easy and smart way to share photos and videos from your iPhone to Android without any software. To do that, you have to open your browser and type here wetransfer.com/upload. Once you are here, tap on this plus icon, tap on photo library, and make sure to open this website in your iPhone. And all you have to need, just select those photos and videos you want to share with Android device and tap on add at the top right. And now tap on next. Select get a link and tap on get a link at the bottom right. And it may take some time to upload files here. Once your files uploaded, you will get a shareable link. So you have to copy the link from here. And once you copy the shareable link, just send this link to the Android device via Messenger, WhatsApp or email, and the Android user will be able to download those photos and videos from the link easily. And remember one thing, this link will expire in 7 days. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.